Yo, what's going on, guys? Andy here, back again with another recap. Today, pretty good day. I'm here early because I just got done trading. As you can see, 7 out of the 9 accounts I have are in profit. And look at my live account, guys. Like, look at that shit. It's back up to 2,293. Almost made back halfway to where I started. I started this account at 5,000, but I've taken a lot of money out. I've made and taken money out, and it's great. Past 2 days, I've made almost $1,000 back on these accounts, on this account. So man, I was in like a rut. You know what I mean? Like I had a daily loss limit set, and I was just losing every day. And I think I was losing like 6, 7 days in a row. My account was like at not 6, 7, I think four trading days in a row, and I just stopped trading it, and my account was sitting at 1,300, and I started trading it yesterday, and so I'm gonna stop trading this account tomorrow. I'm not gonna be trading it tomorrow on Friday. So yeah, like. I don't know, man. I got a little tilted, and I was in a really good trade at the end with 2 micros. So up to this loss, right, I was using 1 micro, and I was down like $1,200, and then I, saw a really good buy opportunity, and I think it was like right here, after we took out these overnight lows. Was it? No, I think it was here. We took out some, yeah, 39, yeah. I think we took out these overnight lows. And yeah, this was it, yeah. See right here? So yeah, this play. So we took out these overnight lows, so I got in long right here with 2 micros. I had like 800, 900, no, yeah, 800, 900 drawdown left. Maybe a little bit lower, I'm not sure. No, higher, definitely higher, yeah. For the day, I mean, right? And yeah. I know, shit, it was like 300. So I must have gotten a really good entry because I was down like $900. You know what I mean? And I got in with 2 micros on each of these accounts, right? But the fills, it fucked me over. Like, I got very unlucky with the fills because the fill was nice on this one and it did not hit my daily loss limit. But for these ones, it did hit my loss limit. So these ones closed out immediately. Like, look at that. 1201, 1996. Like, immediately it stopped me out. But this one, it kept going for some reason. The first account, I wasn't stopped out. I must have just gotten a better fill. So this one kept going and running, and then I took off a contract at like $800 profit. So I locked in 400, and then working up from that drawdown. It was a good win. Working up from that drawdown, I locked in like 400 profit, and I let the other contract run, and I was like, okay, 15 points, that's good. You know what I mean? So finished off with 700 there, more than halfway to passing that account. And then my take profit, solid day. I just took scalps with like 3 minis. So these are the plays that I did. If I can find a oh, it's right here. Wait, no. I can't draw. I can't draw on these, but, oh, wait. I think I need to do something like this. So I took this play right here for short. Okay, I think I'm done. Okay, so I took this short right here. Oh, wait, maybe I should go to my trading view. So yeah, let's see. Awesome. Okay, first short that I did was 5-minute. See the short right here. So we closed below. Not we closed below. We closed below. Yeah. We closed below the 21 EMA and VWAP, and then we bounced off of the 200 EMA. We wicked right above it. So I was like, okay, next candle, we're definitely going to be going up. So, I did not want to play this retest or anything because the 15 minutes hadn't set in yet. So I didn't want to play like a retest of just a candle wick. I don't know. I've never done that. but I knew we were gonna pump up this episode. I mean, not this episode. This pump up this bar, right? So we came all the way above, and then I shorted right here at the cross. Well, it didn't have to be a cross, but I just shorted at VWAP. And then it went up a little bit. I was in like barely any drawdown, and then boom, it came down. So and then I closed right below the 200 EMA. So I got in as soon as we broke it. I thought we were gonna bounce up again. So I see a break, and so I probably like exited right here. And look, we're dumping again, rejecting off the 21. And then the next play that I took was over here, right here, right there. We wicked up to the 21 EMA now, and it aligned with the 200 EMA. So I took a short again, and then I played it down again. I didn't have a target. I think I was seeing like 80, 70, 80 bucks, and I was just, taking profit. So, and then I did it again. We came up to almost a 21 EMA again. And so I just got in the close of this. I was like, it's pretty close, So, and, since I'm only playing with 2-3 micros, I can handle a lot of drawdown. You can even come up to here, and that would only be a 6, like $180 drawdown. It's not bad at all. So, but it didn't. So I was just confident that we've been rejecting the 200 EMA, this many times. So I was like, we'll reject it again even if we come up to that. That was just my thought process. And then I did it again, same trade. Did it again. Oh my god. Did it again over here. We came up, touched the 21 EMA, drop back down. And then, so no trades for the next 15 minutes until we break above VWAP, right? And then look at this, how perfect this is. We break, we VWAP, and then we retest it, and I got in there. And this was a really good trade too. So I was decreasing the amount of micros that I had as the day was going on because I was making more and more money. So, and then I ended up with that. On my take profit account. So it was great. But yeah, trading like that, really stress free. But I fucking hate the unluckiness that I have, bro. Really, I got a bad fill, and it stopped me out with like with $1. I couldn't go up a little extra dollar, and or it popped up the exact next second. You guys wouldn't believe, And yeah, so this account ended up in $700 profit, and I'm down like, this much. I made like, imagine that, I made like $1,900 on that move up. You know what I mean? It was a crazy move, but yeah, I don't know what else you can do. But yeah, so the plan for tomorrow, right? Look at this. I'm up $1,000 on all my take profit accounts, right? So I'm a third of the way through on the first 4 days on these accounts. So that's around 200. That's exactly 250, a little bit more than $250 a day, and I'm more than halfway through my on one of my my funded futures accounts, right? So I'm not gonna be trading any of these accounts except for these two tomorrow. I'm gonna be trading like pretty much from open till right now, till 8. So I'm gonna might be doing a little stream. It's gonna be like a comeback stream sort of thing, and try to get this fucking money back. I've done it before, and I'm confident I can do it. Friday brings a lot of volatility. I just need to find trades like this, with a mini. It's so easy, take those $300, $400, and even if I don't make the whole thing back, as long as I get above like a $2,000 drawdown, that'd be pretty good too. Which isn't asking for too much, Right now I'm at like, let's see where I'm at right now. So let's go log into my funded. Let's see. So yeah, right now I'm at 1298. So, 700 bucks, if I could do that, I mean, that wouldn't be bad at all. My accounts would be like 60% of, 1,000. So it'd be like 5,000. Oh, wait, 700? I'd be at like 50,000. I'd be at like $400 in profit. So, damn, I can't believe I did that to myself. Over trading like that. And then I found a good setup, and, I was, hoping that I'd get lucky and didn't get, stopped out. Could have been worse, but yeah, at least we have like one account, close to passing. So yeah, I hope I don't fail these. That'd be like $200 down the drain pretty much. So I don't want that. But yeah, not 200, 160. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Those are the trades that I took. Uneventful, not the worst day, but not. But I should be grateful because my live account is the most important. I'm making money on that. So, I can pay for these accounts in one trade. I don't want to take money out. If not, I wouldn't be stressing too much. But yeah, I've racked up some debt again. You know what I'm saying? Buying and failing for the past 3 weeks. So, I need to make money on my live, which I'm doing. So yeah, happy about that though. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I'll see you guys live tomorrow at 6:30, and yeah, I'll do some live trading on these two accounts and try to make it back. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. And yeah, if you liked it, if you found anything useful, like and subscribe and leave a comment, and I'll see you guys in the next one. All right, peace out.